In this video, I'm sharing how to pipe beautiful buttercream daffodils onto cupcakes. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. If you like what you see, subscribe and ring the bell. These cupcakes are made with my buttermilk chocolate cake recipe. I'll leave a link for you at the end of the video. Then they're coated with chocolate ganache and gold glitter. Watch the daffodils being piped in real time, and then I'll slow it down and talk you through. This is the tip number 123 Wilton, and the buttercream is my Italian meringue buttercream recipe, which is in my top 5 buttercream recipe books download at weddingcakesforyou.com. Squeeze out 5 mounds of buttercream. These will support your petals. Holding the bag at a 45-degree angle, create 2 quarter circles to make a heart shape, kind of like a fan. Repeat that 5 times for the 5 petals. For the center, hold the bag vertically 90 degrees and form a tube shape. You can squeeze out 1/3 of the circle at a time if you like, and then turn the cupcake, and then do another third, then turn the cupcake again, and do the final third. And now for the stamens, you want to use a little tiny round hole, which you can use either a tip or you can make your own pastry bag like I did here. And I do have a tutorial on that. I'll leave a link for you as well at the end and also in the description box below the video. And you're going to squeeze out a little bit of the yellow into the center, making a dot and then pulling as you squeeze. And finally, with a tip number 352, you can pipe some green leaves around the daffodil to make it look more real as well. And there you have it, a beautiful buttercream daffodil. If you do like my videos, please subscribe and ring the bell, and also give it a like, share it with your friends. And if you do try these beautiful flowers, please let me know by leaving a comment below, or you can use hashtag #CakesWithLorelei. Also, join me over on Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video.